can see behind me, there's a new car. In order to have gotten this car, I traded in the 335. It was going to be a lot of money to upgrade the way I wanted it, and with all the money you put in it, you don't get anything back. So the best way to go about is to get the M4 and just use that as my new platform. So let me show you guys how it looks like. So I just got this in May, end of May, and I had it wrapped just recently. Picked it up on Saturday. So as you can see, it's matte purple, stock wheels. Still debating if I should get different ones. And then there's some carbon fiber pieces that I still need to put on here. Just waiting on them to arrive. And it does have a mid pipe, custom mid pipe, so it sounds a little bit louder. Just the same wrap the Stradman has. I always wanted a purple matte, and I always wanted a matte purple. Not because of the Stradman. And then this is black, also wrapped. But you can see the original color. It was a dark gray. And then the interior has these nice cloth seats with the leather on the sides. I really like that. Doesn't heat up as much as leather does. You can see carbon trim down here as well. The steering wheel, I just need to get a carbon fiber one. He did a really good job. It's like really perfect with the wrap. So if you're looking for a wrap in Arizona, I'll link the Instagram in the description of the guy who did it for me, Reggie. If you're interested in seeing more of my plans with this Beamer, then subscribe and like this video, and there'll be more to come. And peace out for now.